I was only weighing about 43 kg, where a lot of ladies typically tell me, oh, I wish I have your weight. But what I was struggling was that I know nothing about fitness and nutrition. In fact, I hated workout a lot, and nobody taught me what food is suitable and how I should be eating. So my staple food was constantly mama, supper, fast food, instant noodles. So because of that, even though I never grow sideways, I struggle with very, very bloated belly. And I always ended up wanting to get rid of my tummy. And that is where I would resort to solutions like skipping meals, skip carbs, don't eat, trying to fit into my dress or to go to a beach vacation, but they never really work long term. However, when I got to know about this platform, the community and the coaches here, I'm so grateful to learn about 80% nutrition and 20% exercise. And then also I learned more about how to eat well, about nutrition, and it helped me to get rid of all my usual bloating issues. And I've been here for a couple of years now. I've never felt better and more confident in my own body, and I'm still a work in progress. So if I can do it without knowing anything, I think all of you here can do it as well.